Hello friends, welcome to my videos. So today I am going to walk you through a lesson about using cascading dropdown in Powerapps for SharePoint data. In other terms, cascading the dropdown in SharePoint using Powerapps. So I have already published a video about cascading dropdown using jQueries, but now we are going to use Powerapps to show how easily this can be done. So in front of you, I have created a list, state country mapping, and I have put some sample data. So the first column is title, where I have basically put the country names. So for the purpose of this exercise, I have added only two countries here, Canada and the United States of America, our neighbors, of course. So for Canada, I have added 4 states here, and for USA, I have added 5 states. So the expectation is when somebody is using this drop down, I mean in any operation, it could be adding values to a list or anywhere, uh, and we are pulling data from this source list. So if somebody selects Canada first, then the options Ontario, BC, PEI, and T should appear. Similarly, if somebody chooses USA, these options should appear. All right. So what I did, I just clicked here, create an app, I put a name, and I reached here. Now I'm going to show you the logic how it actually works. So when you create a Power App directly, then the data source is automatically the list where you click the link. Otherwise, you can always create a blank Power App application and then you can add a data source as your SharePoint list. Alright. Then the next thing I did is that I removed the default gallery created, because for the purpose of this exercise, I wanted you to go through the drop down logic, I mean the cascading drop down logic, and I added two drop downs. So let me take you through the first one. So for the first one, this is my data source name. This you can see here, state country mapping, and this points to the list. The first one is like I'm using distinct value from this data source under the field column title. So here in this list under title I have these values. So because I added this function distinct, so I'm gonna have only two values, USA and Canada. Okay. Now the second one. So now the second one, what we need the second column values, but again, yeah, the cascading logic has to be there. So for this, what I did, see this here, I use a filter function. So the first is my data source that I'm gonna uh, pull the information from. Okay, so I'm gonna pull information from state country mapping, and here the title, you mean this, should be drop down one. This is drop down one selected value. So the one that you are selecting, the one that you have selected. So because you have selected USA, it gives me these values. When you select Canada, it gives me these values. You can run it and check. So as you have seen the formula, in order to populate this drop down, the title needs to match with what you have selected here. So if you select Canada here, it matches with these 4 records and we get these values. Similarly, when you select USA, other 5. So this is how simple it is. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you give it a like and comment, and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.